Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step way to fix this update error for Windows 11. Okay, the first step is to start the app readiness service. So how do you do that? Here, look for services, hit enter. And then from here, you're going to look for something called app readiness. It's right here. You're going to double click on this. You're going to set the startup type to automatic if it is not already automatic. And you want to start the service if it already isn't started. And then hit apply and hit OK. And then attempt to reinstall the update via Windows Updates. By the way, how do you do that? Go to settings, bottom left hand side, Windows Updates, check for update, download and install, and OK. If that didn't work, let's move on to the next step. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So how do you do that? Go to settings, go to system on the left hand side. And from here, scroll down until you see troubleshoot, click on that. From here, you're gonna see something called other troubleshooters, click on that. And then from here, you're gonna see Windows Update. From here, click run and follow the on-screen instructions to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, next step, go into services once again. And then we're gonna look for a couple of different services this time. So there's a service called Windows Update. If I can find Windows Update right here. So you want to double click on this again, make sure that this is set to automatic and make sure that this is running. If it is not running, hit apply, hit OK. And the next thing you want to do is look for a service called Background Intelligence Transfer. Where is it? Right here, this one right here. Again, automatic, and start the service. If it is not running, hit apply and hit OK. Keep in mind, these services are critical for downloading and installing updates. If they are failing to start, then make sure that they are running, or else the update will not work. The next thing you can do if this still isn't working is go into Chrome or whatever your favorite browser is. And then you want to search for a Windows 11 Installation Assistant. And you want to download this. And then basically after you have downloaded it, you run it and it's going to ask if you want to have a new installation or update your existing installation. Basically you want to click on update the installation to see if that fixes the issue. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.